11 sugar substitutes that are natural and healthy and how to use them. An average American adult consumes about 77 grams of sugar per day. That's 3 times more than the recommended amount, and that's one of the main reasons for the high prevalence of diabetes, heart attack, and other dangerous conditions. No doubt cutting sugar from your diet is a challenging task, but how about moving towards healthy alternatives? Do you want to enjoy a delightful sugary pleasure without having any damaging impact on your health? Well, I am not bluffing. There are some natural sugar substitutes, super healthy and super satisfying, that you can add to your diet. Want to know more about them? Then keep watching. In today's video, we will share with you the 11 sugar substitutes that are natural and healthy and how to use them. Number 1. Monk fruit. Monk fruit is one of the most popular natural sweeteners. The extract of the fruit is sweeter than sugar, which means you only need a little bit to make things delicious. That sweetness comes from the chemical compound in the fruit called mogrosides. So even though it's sweet, it does not act like sugar in our body and is safe for diabetics or anyone trying to avoid added sugar. Plus, it has 0 calories, which makes it more appealing. It is considered safe by US Food and Drug Administration and even shows a reduction in blood sugar levels in some studies. You can use it in your tea, coffee, or baking. The taste and benefits will not disappoint you. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Raw honey. Honey is not only good in taste, but is also super healthy for you. It is full of antioxidants, iron, zinc, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B6, niacin, and riboflavin. Other than that, it is sweet, it tastes good, and it is a food that has some other benefits too. Replacing sugar with raw honey can lower your blood sugar level, as it is lower glycemic, which means it has a lower impact on your blood sugar level and prevents insulin spikes. It contains bee pollen, which has a lot of powerful properties and can prevent allergies. You can drizzle some on your toast, cereals, or even in tea, but make sure to use raw honey to enjoy the real benefits. Number 3. Banana puree. Have you ever thought of adding banana puree in your recipes instead of sugar? Well, you should, as it is naturally sweet and rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamins. You simply have to take overripe bananas, peel them, and put them in a blender with a little water to get a smooth consistency, and you can have your natural sweetener ready. You can add it to your oatmeal, cookies, pancakes, and lots of other recipes in place of refined sugar, and can get the same deliciousness with a better nutrient profile, as there are no empty calories in a banana. Number 4. Dates. Dates are one of the healthiest foods we have. It is sweet in taste and high in antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients. Their sweet nature and nutrient-dense profile make them an ideal alternative for sugar. A study published in the journal Nutrients shows that dates can control the blood sugar level and reduce the amount of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Not sure about how to use them in your recipes? Soak a few dates in water to soften them and blend them in a little water to make a thick paste. You can use that paste in smoothies, shakes, and baked items to get the sugary flavor with multiple nutrients. Number 5. Stevia. Stevia is a plant extract and is about 200 times sweeter than sugar, yet contains 0 calories and has a lot of medicinal properties that sugar certainly does not have. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that stevia reduces the postprandial blood glucose level and overall sugar and energy intake, making it a safe solution for weight management and sugar reduction. You can grow a stevia plant yourself and use its leaves or buy from a store, but don't forget to check the label and ingredients list before buying to know what you are getting and use it in less ratio in your recipes, as it is much sweeter than sugar. Number 6. Maple syrup. It is one of the best natural sugar replacements because of the exceptional amount of manganese, calcium, potassium, and zinc. Rich with antioxidants, this all-natural sweetener neutralizes the free radicals and reduces oxidative damage. Just remember to choose darker grade B maple syrup, as they contain more beneficial antioxidants than light ones. It is heat stable, so you can use it in many recipes, and while making marinades, sauces, glazes, and tea. Number 7. Coconut sugar. Coconut milk, coconut water, coconut flesh, all are known for their health benefits, and now it's time to shed light on coconut sugar. No doubt they are a blessing from nature. It is made from coconut palm sap and is super nutritious. According to a study published in the journal Carbohydrate Polymers, inulin, a prebiotic fiber in coconut sugar, flourishes the gut bacteria and maintains a healthy gut biome. Add it in a ratio of 1:1 when replacing it with sugar in your recipes. So now you can enjoy the sweet caramel flavor of coconut sugar in your pies while taking care of your gut health. What more do you want? Number 8. Balsamic glaze. According to a study published in the Diabetes and Metabolism journal, balsamic vinegar has an anti-diabetic effect. It works by improving the function of insulin-producing cells. It is also rich in antioxidants and pepsin, an enzyme that promotes healthy digestion. You can make the glaze yourself or use one available in stores. For the homemade balsamic glaze, simmer the 2 cups of balsamic vinegar on low heat until it is reduced to half a cup. You can use it to drizzle on salmon, fruits, or ice cream to get a sweet, tangy flavor. Number 9. Blackstrap molasses. Though Blackstrap molasses is made from sugarcane and contains sucrose, it is still a healthier option due to its nutrient-dense profile and lower glycemic index than conventional sweeteners. It is rich in copper, calcium, iron, selenium, manganese, and vitamin B6. Its high antioxidant level can be beneficial in preventing several diseases. A study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements shows that sugarcane molasses can manage iron deficiency anemia and can work as a supplement for children. It will give your baked products a moist, chewier texture and warm, sweet flavor. Number 10. Yacon syrup. It is extracted from the roots of Yacon plants and has a sweet, dark, and thick consistency similar to that of molasses. It contains 30 to 40% of a unique type of sugar molecule that the human body cannot digest. Because of those undigested sugar molecules, it has 1/3 of the calories of regular sugar. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that it can reduce the risk of obesity and insulin resistance in humans. You can add it while baking or drizzle some on your pancakes to get a sweet caramel flavor. Number 11. Real fruit jam. Why use sugar when you can bake luscious cake and cookies by using fruits? The key to making it healthy is always to use real fruit jam with no added sugar or chemicals. You can also make it yourself by combining fruit with water in a pan and letting it simmer until fruits are soft and ready to be converted into a thick puree. In this way, you can get nutrients from actual fruits, plus sweet and refreshing flavors in your recipes. Before finding a perfect sugar replacement that suits your taste and requirements, you may have to test many substitutes. Choose according to your needs and in moderation, and always consult with your physician before incorporating any sweetener in your diet, especially if you have a health condition. Will you start using these sugar substitutes after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!